Good afternoon, everyone. Today, I, Nisha Bharti, a student of BBM second year, is here to present a presentation on the topic consumer behavior. So, here is my presentation. So, our topic is consumer behavior. So, what is consumer behavior? Consumer behavior is a study of individual groups or organization where they select, choose, buy, and then dispose the product according to their needs and wants. Now, we will see what are the nature of consumer behavior. So, consumer behavior varies according to the customer to customer. This means that the different customers have their different needs and wants. So, according to the needs and wants of the customer, product also changes. Second one is it varies from product to product. It varies from time to time, varies from geographical regions, information search, and involves decision making. Now we will see what are the importance of consumer behavior. The importance of consumer behavior are better communication and marketing. So communication is a very important element for marketing, as it is a way where how the marketer interact with the consumer. He just share his information to the consumer. Second one is improve customer retention, increase customer loyalty, better plan inventory, increase sales, and the last one is research competition. Now we will see what are the factors of consumer behavior. So the factors of consumer behavior are mainly categorized into four types: cultural, social, personal, and psychological. So under cultural, there are again three category of cultural factors. First is culture. So it refers to set of belief, values, attitude, morals, custom, habit, and forms of behavior. For example, Western culture and Indian culture. Second one is subculture. So under subculture, the first one is nationality. Example of nationality is Indian, Chinese, Japanese, etc. Second one is racial groups. Example of racial group is black versus white. Third is geographical group. So under geographical group, north, south, east, west. Under religious group, example of religious group are Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, etc. The third one is social class. So social class is divided into three category: upper class, middle class, and lower class. As the needs and want of the upper class is little high, middle class use a product according to their income, and lower class use cheap products to only fulfill their basic needs. Another main factor of consumer behavior is social factor. So under social factor, the first is reference group. So what is reference group? Uh, Reference group refers to when consumer is motivated by the reference of someone, impact on buying decision from reference of someone. Reference can be from two types of group. First is primary group and another is secondary group. Under primary group, the primary group, family, roommate, close friends. When we used to change the decision of purchase by taking the reference from our family, roommate, close friend, then this comes under primary group. Second one is secondary group. Under secondary group, we are just motivated by listening to the reference of office people's colleagues, etc. Second one is family. So under this, impact on buying decision when influenced by family members, for example, mother, father, sister, brother. Another is roles and status. Here, the buying decision is made to maintain status in various groups such as family, organization, club, etc. Another main factor of consumer behavior is personal factor. So, personal factor directly affect the consumer. So, under personal factor, the first is age and stage in life cycle. Here, the impact on consumer buying decision by the requirement of person according to age and their life cycle. For example, if we are in age of child, then we need child products such as baby sweaters, clothes. If we are young, then we need video games, etc. If we are aged, then we only need basic requirements such as we get religious, we used to see religious movies, etc. Another is occupation and economic condition. Buying decision is affected by occupation. For example, in a company there are two types of worker: blue collar worker and white collar worker. So the needs and want of blue collar worker is basic uniform, shoes, tiffin, lunch, etc. But the needs and wants of company's head will be club membership, ship, flight tickets, etc. Another is lifestyle. Buying decision is here. The buying decision is affected by how individual live their life. For example, upper class, middle class, and lower class. The another factor of personal factor is personality. Here the buying decision is affected by the characteristics of the person. The another main factor of psychological factor are motivation. Here the customers are motivated by seeing ads. For example, if a person is seeing ad of Shah Rukh Khan, he is doing ad of television, and now he is so much motivated by his ad, so that he is going to buy the television of same company. Another is perception. Here the judgment is made by using a product once. For example, we have used a product of a company once and we are not satisfied by the product. Then we have made a perception that from now we are not going to use any product of this company. This comes under perception. Another is learning. Learning means acquiring skills, knowledge, and experience. It is a very wise decision. Example of learning is, for example, when we start doing something by learning from another. For example, we went to a restaurant and there we saw that some people are giving tips to the waiter. Before we were not giving tips to the waiter, but from now, after seeing this, we have learned something, and now we have also started giving tip to the waiter. This comes under learning. Another is attitude. It is a feeling or acting towards thing. Attitude means like or dislike for particular object. Now we will see the models of consumer behavior. The first model of consumer behavior is black box model. It is also known as stimulus response model. Under this, three steps come. First one is the environment, second is consumer's black box, and the third one is buyer's response. First, under environment, the factors which comes under environment is product, price, place, promotion. So the customer, by seeing the product, price, place, and promotion of any product, he make decision that under his mind, and his mind is the black box. Under his mind, he make the decision that whether he has to buy the product or not. Under his response, there are two things come: whether he purchase the product or whether he will not make the purchase. If he is purchasing the product, then he will see what is the price of the product, when to purchase, how much to purchase. This is all about black box model of consumer behavior. Another model of consumer behavior is Hawkins-Stern model. So Hawkins-Stern model is all about impulse buying behavior. So impulse buying behavior is defined as when we are not supposed to buy something and it is also not our need, but still we make the purchase. So under impulse buying behavior, we read four types of purchase. First one is escape purchase or escape purchase. It never thinks to buy but still buy. Visuals are effective. For example, under escape purchase, we can see if we want to buy a sweater for a baby and we went to firstcry.com. There we are searching for the sweater, but when we have saw, you can see this ad, we have saw this ad, then we have seen that the child is playing with the toy. Now we are so much affected by that visual, so now we will purchase that sweater and with that toy also. So this is the example of escape purchase. Another is reminder purchase. What is reminder purchase? Remind the customer of their needs. Customer need the product but it's not in their shopping list. For example, we went to a shopping mall. There we can see there is a very big showcases where so many products are there. So that makes remind to us about the product which we are not knowing. Now it's not in our mind to purchase. The third one is suggested purchase. Product are those that you have never seen before. It first encounter you had impulse to buy it. So we can see the example of shop the look. For example, we are seeing to buy a dress. Then we are only searching online. Then we have seen this a pop-up notification where it is given that shop the look. Here in the first we are supposed to buy only the dress, but now after seeing this all, we are so much because of this visual we have liked this all product and now we will purchase more than whatever we wanted before. Another is planned purchase. What is planned purchase? Here the customer already need the product and he has planned to purchase that product, but he don't know about the characteristics of the product and how quantity. So for example of this shirt, when we go to any mall, then we see that there are so many offers. For example, buy one get one free, buy two get one free. There we saw that in less price we are getting more quantity, so we used to buy that product because we think that they are giving very good discount to us. That's all. Now we will see the conclusion. In conclusion, consumer behavior is study of what actually consumer wants. Understanding consumer behavior is an important part of comprehending resource allocation. Thank you.